too. Check that out. What? What you mean? Check that out though. That was clean. I'm gonna paint every bolt. This is hella nice. This came out pretty good. Ooh, dripping. Dripping though. Dripping. Ooh, it's coming together. For real. Paint this part. This is the bracket to the motor mount. Looks super clean. Painted some bolts. Red. That's gonna look pretty cool. The funnel should be over in the basket. There should be a green one. If not, the black one's fine too. Huh? Huh? Oh yeah. Look, he's doing his oil over here. Big Ryan. Go subscribe to the channel. Moist, go subscribe.
Big chili right
You know what I'm
here.
saying? And I'm just painting this motherfucking shit up. This smells so strong. This looks way better though.
I think 5W30. I got a big ass diameter because of this. Huh? Yeah. Yeah?
Oh yeah. Holy shit. Huh? Yeah, true. Yeah.
That's 3. How many more you need? You use all 5 of them?
Sorry guys, I'm holding the camera and painting at the same time. Yeah. What are you doing? Some weird ass car over there doing some weird shit. Suspect.
I thought this was really cool. I don't know if Brandon told all you guys. You go to AutoZone, they'll show you exactly what you need for your vehicle.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they'll print it out for free.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
Huh? Obviously half, right? Yeah. they drive off. What are they doing? Now, side note, change the oil on the bug. Got the Castro, you know. What the? Oops. Basically good. Yeah. Now I want to paint this here. Black. Black. That looks hella tight. Painting some more parts. Intake manifold. Just priming it real quick. Painted this over here. Like I said, I'm gonna paint this engine in like different colors. Oh yeah. This part right here goes like that. And then the bolts, let's go with it. So that's gonna be right there. I'm gonna take this piece off, paint all that, paint this. That's already painted. It's gonna be awesome. It's a lot cleaner than before. Still needs some cleaning though. As you can see, still needs some cleaning. But it's gonna look nice though. I still wanna paint this orange. I'm gonna figure out a way, but I'm gonna paint it. Cause I can't get this bolt out. It's like really up in there. So, I know it comes off. As one piece. But I don't think you're supposed to take this out. I don't know. It doesn't come out, so I'm just gonna have to like work around it when I paint it. We'll see how it comes out. But yeah, it's gonna be awesome. We're cleaning this up because this is hella dirty, and this is the one that I actually need right here. So I'm just using some Scotch-Brite, and I had some carb cleaner. I just soaked it in carb cleaner, and I'm just scrubbing away at it. That way when I primer it, it'll come out good, and then we'll have all this grit all over it. But yeah. Hey, these some bangers though. What you know about this? Yeah. So yeah, just I took this part back off because obviously I can't use this. But it looks hella nice. It's all good though. That goes right there. So yeah, at least the water pump right here thing is still the same. So I can still use this one. The one that I just freshly painted. Compared to this one. I'm thinking about getting like a little piece of like paint marker and coloring in the Honda sign like red or something. Just so it'll stand out. Something random. Because I like detail. I'm all about detail. So, yep. We'll see how this comes out after I'm done cleaning all that stuff. Because man, it is bad. This was so dirty. It was dirtier than this. You should have seen it earlier. But it's still pretty dirty, but I'm gonna clean this up real nice. And then paint it the same color. I need to take off this part too, which is the belt tensioner. I need to take that piece off. So, as nice as all this looks right here, I can't use this bracket. I can use this, but I can't use this bracket because this is from an SI and this is not. So I have to use this one, which is fine. I just gotta paint it again. So, oh well, it's all good. Got some more stuff painted. Got this piece right here painted, all black with different colored bolts in it. piece. This little green guy. This guy over here. Pretty cool. Okay, some more parts on the car. This is Ford Blue. Part of the water pump and motor mounts and stuff like that. This is another piece. This is the actual water pump itself. I just painted all black. And then all the bolts that go to it though are all gonna be a different color. So they'll all stand out. Really cool. And yeah, as you know, I'm trying to paint everything a different color. This I wanna do like a matte purple. I wanna do pink down here, like just random. Every bolt and piece that I can think of, I wanna paint it. But yeah. Parts, more parts painted today. It's purple, green. Repainted this bad boy, the one that I can actually use. Painted this piece right here. This orange little brackets. Yep. Just painting this stuff, putting it together. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. I just don't know if I like it now. Now that it's all painted, all fresh, I just don't know if I like it. I just don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, it's different. I think this and this look the nicest to me. Like that shows fresh. But I don't know. It's not too bad looking. Whoops. Missed a spot. Not too bad. I just don't know where the fuck these go. I forgot. They go over here somewhere, but I just don't know. I forgot. Oh well. It's pretty cool though. It's different. Now it's all painted. I don't know if I even like it. I don't know. It's clean though. I mean, if anything, I can always repaint it. Just an experiment, just to see, but it looks hella nice.